Hey everybody, this is Heather here from HoJo's Teaching Adventures. Today I want to show you some tips and tricks for using the various editable puzzles that I have. You will need a more recent copy or version of PowerPoint, and from there you can go ahead and save your file. I always recommend changing the name, so I've got Editable Circle Puzzle Video, that should say sample. Apparently I can't spell today. Okay, so then we'll come down here. It has all the direction pages and things. If your puzzles look super wonky, you'll want to come here and come to this screen size. You can watch videos here on PC or Mac if you don't know how to change it, because I have found that does matter. This is a page just to help you prep. Sometimes I take the answers right out of textbooks, and sometimes I just write them out on my own. Sometimes I know what I want to do in my head and I just wing it, which is kind of what I'm going to do here. And then after that, you will see that we're going to start. And what I like to do, I'm on a PC, so I do Control F. I'm going to find and replace. There we go. And what I like to do is start with number 10. The reason being, if we start with 1Q, it's also going to change 11Q or question 11. And then 2Q is going to change 2Q, which just isn't ideal. And if we do this one, it also will do this pre-cut one. So that's when I refer to these. This is the finished one that I could surely print out for the kids, cut it up. I love to have like parent volunteers do this, or I've even been known to give it to students, to cut on like a Monday and then we do it Thursday or something like that. Generally, they kind of forget or they don't know what they're working on. It's also great for student volunteers. If you have a parent who wants to volunteer, you can have them come in. If you want to just hand it to the kids, this is the puzzle that you would give them. This is what I call the pre-cut or the print and go. And then this page is just a puzzle mat to help the students. This is the page I find most beneficial to students who are maybe struggling a little bit more. And sometimes what I do, if I find that they're struggling even more than typical, what I will come in here and do is literally just add like an asterisk. And a lot of times I'll add it kind of, up there, or I'll even turn it a little bit. That just lets them know that that one starts there. And then let's say I'm giving them this one. I'll also add it. I know that's the matching one. So now you can see that they would go, oh, the 3 stars? Like what? Oh, so they would cut it out and they would have a starting point. Okay. So let's get into this. Let's go. I said to start with 10. So 10, we're going to start with our question. And I'm going to just do lots of different examples. So we're going to go cannot. We're going to replace all. So you can see here, cannot changed to cannot. You can kind of tell that's the same kind of shape. So now we're going to go 10 answer, can not. So now cannot matches cannot. Same thing, cannot there matches cannot there. Okay, so now we're going to go to 11 question, and we're going to go 2 plus 2. Replace all. It made 2 replacements, which you can see right there and right there. And now we're going to go to 11. The answer is going to be 4. Replace all. And you can see 4 plus 4. There we go. I was like, I know it's on there somewhere. But so I would just keep going, and I would keep going up. You can see on this one, there's 25. So I would go from 10 all the way up to 25. And then I would go back through and do 1 through 9, because I don't want those 1s and 2s. I don't want the 1s and 2s to try and, or any of them, I guess, for that matter, because even if I do 9, it's going to mess with 19, if that makes sense. So yeah, you could literally make a different puzzle for every student. You can give each class the whole puzzle, and with so many different puzzle options to choose from, there's over 120 different ones, which let me just show you quickly here. You have puzzles. So we have fall options, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Polar Express, Martin Luther King, 100th Day of School, Spring, President's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Sports, Military, Easter, all of those different shapes. And then we also go into animals. I have 4 different states, various types of transportation, various patriotic or military types of things, playing cards, some foods, because what kid doesn't love ice cream or popcorn, you know? And then just some random ones too. We have a ghost for Halloween, have a pirate hat. So you can celebrate Talk Like a Pirate Day. Everybody can make a hat, glue it onto the puzzle mat, and then make like a headband to go around. Maybe you have a palm tree or an ocean themed classroom, so you want the shells and the sunglasses. Maybe you're learning about the weather and you want to do clouds and lightning bolts. Or maybe your kids have just been silly lately and you're going to do something with poop. Yes, I made a poop puzzle, just kind of as a joke. There's also toilet paper roll in there too. So it is truly a lot of different puzzles. But that is kind of the tips and tricks for how to use these. I just wanted to share. You can read more in the blog post that I will include the link. We'll link back and forth between these two so you can see them all. But I hope that helps, and I look forward to you enjoying your puzzle. Thank you so much.